Hi Falcon community, I am Mrs. Bolin and I teach first grade at Pleasantville Elementary. I've put together a few snippets of videos of things that I like to do and some fun facts about me.
I don't know if you know this, but I actually went to Pleasantville Elementary and I graduated from Fairfield Union in 2008. So I am a true Falcon.
Welcome to my classroom. I'll give you a sneak peek. As some of you may know, these are your 24 strengths that we teach at Fairfield Union. And I have top strengths of humor, leadership, and social intelligence. I love to laugh.
This is my home and my dog Ducky. She thinks she's a professional squirrel hunter, but really she's never caught one. But she tries. Perseverance.
I also am married to Mr. Bolin, and we've been married for almost 6 years now, and we got married on 12/13/14. Something unique.
One of my favorite things to do is make fun videos with some really cool filters for my students.
I also love summertime naps. They are my favorite. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me. I can't wait to meet all of my kiddos that come into my classroom and onto my computer. See everyone soon.